Are your thumbs outside the steering wheel?
Kind of. One's like the tip's just inside.
The tip's just inside. By the way, we've got Jelly Baby review.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on.
Wait, what review of them?
Review of the Jelly Babies.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to have another one to like review. Bear with me. Boy.
Oh.
Blimey.
Well, at least we cleaned the underneath.
That didn't look half as bad.
Your snorkel, Joel. Definitely enjoying it, that's for sure.
Yep. See if you can cover Joel.
Trying so hard to not get distracted by the dog right now.
Is the dog cute?
I don't know. I want to learn. Naturally, you know, it's a dog. Dog cute's a dog. Cute's a dog. Dogs are cute.
I love how you can't even speak English, right?
Dog cute's a dog. Cute's a dog. Dogs are cute.
Big hole coming up on the right for everyone who's on the grassy byway. That's where Paul got stuck on the last event. Way over on the permissive byway.
Oh wow, down there.
Does that mean we can call it Paul's Hole from now on?
I love that Paul's hole.
Say Paul's hole, didn't you?